Hello guys, happy Thursday everyone. Ito po yung nabili ko today. This cost 11 euros and 38 cents. So ito po siya. Well, saan ba tayo mag-start? Ito po yung nabili ko ngayon na na eggplant. This cost 1 euro and 49 cents ang kilo guys. So I think this is 92 cents itong dalawang eggplant. And then we have here, so ito naman guys, we call this platano or banana. Kaya lang kasi ang platano is different to banana. So pag platano sabi nila is galing sa Canary Islands or Islas de las Canarias. So nasa offer po siya guys, 1 euro per kilo. I think it costs 1 euro and 22 cents. So may gagawin na po tayong banana cake this Christmas guys. I hope Jasmine will bake. So para may karoon tayo ng banana cake this Christmas. Next is, we have here tangerine. Ayan guys. Or mandarina. Sobrang tamis po ng mga mandarina dito guys. I think this costs 1.99 per kilo. Bale, 1 euro and 22 cents po siya guys. Ito lahat. And next, may mango po tayo. Dalawa lang po kinuha ko. It costs 2 euros and 99 cents po per kilo. Bale, ito is 2.15 euros po siya guys. Itong dalawa lang na mango. Yan, may magagawa na po tayo dyan na shake. And ito po siya, spinach po. Pagkain ni Papay. Diba yung Papay? Mahilig siya sa spinach, yung cartoon character. So this is 99 cents guys. Pansahog natin sa lentils. And we have here potatoes. I think 1 kilo of potato costs 89 cents. Bali 1 euro and 61 cents na po yan. Next, we have here, wait, nahulog yung isa. This is sweet onion guys. This costs 1 euro and 69 cents ang 1 kilo dito guys. So kumuha lang ako ng tatlo. This is good for salad. Hindi kasi siya maanghang. And next, we have this normal onion. I think 1 euro here is 99 cents. 1 kilo is 99 cents. So this already costs 1 euro and 56 cents. Itong sibuyas lang po siya guys. And we have bonyato. Bonyato is sweet potato guys. Tatlo lang yung kinuha ko kasi mahal siya. That is 1 euro and 79 cents po ang isang kilo nito. So tatlo lang po kinuha ko. Usually I only took 3. And I'm going to show you guys this lychee. So I took some only. So this comes only during Christmas season, itong mga lychee guys. So per kilo, it costs 5 euros and 99 cents. So ito is 1 euro and 23 cents. Konti lang para matikman lang ng mga anak ko. Kasi every Christmas lang naman sila nakakatikim nito. Kasi it's very rare to find lychee here in Spain guys. So these are the things I bought today guys. So ayan. Huwag nyo na pong pansinin yung kamay ko. Naipit po yan kahapon. Ang sakit kaya. Buti hindi na isama yung ano ba dito? Yung kuko, yung nail niya. So, masakit po siya guys. So, happy Thursday everyone. I-upload ko na lang po siya. Hindi ko na po siya i-edit. Pang channel update lang po siya guys. God bless us all and Merry Christmas everyone. Adios. Au revoir.